Okay, before now we've discussed support and resistance. As it's already visible, you would understand that this is in a downtrend. So when market is bearish, this is your support, this is your resistance, this is your support, this is your resistance, so that you experience a lower high, a lower low, lower high, and lower low. If you're in an uptrend, the reverse is the case, where though a similar concept, this is your support, this is your resistance, this is your support, this is your resistance, where you have a higher low and a higher high, higher low, higher high, like that. Like in this case now, I've already treated what is a support and what is a resistance. This is our support, this is our resistance. Okay, but I said the last thing I stopped as a continuation of the previous video was that I was going to treat supply and demand. In this very video, in order to make it short, I will treat only supply zones. Okay, so in discussing supply zones, let us dig deeper into it. Okay, now if you look at this image of support and resistance, this is the support, this is the resistance in a downtrend. I'm focusing on supply zone now. This particular range, this zone, this area is referred to as what? The supply zone. As simple as ABC. In a downtrend, your support, the range between your support plus resistance is equal to your what? Supply zone or area. It's not rocket science. Just keep it as easy as that. So this is the previous supply zone. Anywhere within here, you will expect price to react, where because you have an imbalance here or a sort of sellers, some people call it order block. Sales orders are waiting here by those who their orders weren't filled, or those who put um, sell limit, or those who put sell limit or waiting for price to descend. Now, once price breaks this low, this becomes our S2, which is the new support. This becomes our arrow 2, which is the new resistance. This particular zone again, or range or area, becomes our new what? Supply zone. So price could come anywhere within here, fail, then continue do what? Coming down. We are sure that price would at least retest this low unless there is a failure by the sellers, then buyers come in. So looking at it on the live chart, this support plus this resistance is a supply zone. Price could retest to here and drop. This support plus this resistance is a supply zone. Now this, like I showed you with the pictorial diagram here, this becomes our new what? Supply zone. So if price comes anywhere around here, sellers will be waiting to do what? Push price down. And like I told you in the previous video, unless there is a bullish breach taking out the resistance, this arrow 2 will be looking for what? Sales only. But don't take sales without going to your precision time frame. As we go on in this series, I will explain what a precision time frame is. I'll stop here for now. So this is a concept of supply zone in seller's territory. I will discuss supply zone in demand zone in buyer's territory in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.